Tennessee has more road rage incidents than almost any other state in the U.S. That's according to new analysis from the nonprofit news outlet Trace, which reports on gun violence issues. It found road rage has skyrocketed in the last decade, with an average of at least one person shot every day. News 2's Sarah Smith with more.
A crime scene Paul Howe's loved ones didn't expect to see. He and his friends riding their motorcycles around Murfreesboro earlier this month. Police say a driver, Joseph Gann, starts brake checking them, then fired a fateful shot at Howe. This is Howe's buddy, Wayne Young.
Stop with the road rage stuff. It's not worth it. I mean, you're taking somebody's dad, brother.
We're talking about behaviors that are dangerous and risky. So tailgating, weaving in and out of traffic, aggressive gestures.
Police say, unfortunately, Howe's case is becoming more common. Experts say Tennessee is one of the worst states in the country for road rage. Using data from the gun violence archive Trace, reports 132 road rage shooting incidents from 2014 to 2023 in Tennessee. 35 of them were fatal.
Anytime that you have a lot of people in one area, especially a lot of drivers in one area, that opens up the possibilities of something happening on the roadway.
AAA workers have a suggestion.
Follow the rules of the road, especially in times of congestion. Try to not make another driver change their speed or their direction.
Another victim of road rage, Brianna Tapia's dad, shot but survived on March 28th.
I mean, you hear about it all the time on the news, but you never think it's going to be you.
The man we just told you about, he's still having trouble walking and talking. His shooter, David Bush, is out on bond right now. The man accused of murder, Joseph Gann, is still in jail and sees a judge next month. Bob.